Welcome, I'm Dan Stahl, President of the Stahls Family Small Business Fund. Today, I'm here to celebrate 5 businesses that have demonstrated a solid vision and a genuine desire to succeed. And if you're not aware, a little over 90 years ago, my great-grandparents took an idea and started a business gluing felt letters in their garage of their Detroit home. They called it Stahl Felt Stamping. Today, that same company has grown and is now called Stahls. Although through generations of hard work from my grandparents to my father and uncle, our family company has grown to be a world leader in custom garment decoration. Through our experiences, there's one thing that we have learned. There are plenty of other creative people around the country working just as hard in their homes to use their passion, creativity, and dedication in hopes of turning their great ideas into successful businesses. Sometimes all it takes to get to the next step is a bit of good luck and coaching, especially during these challenging times. That's why last year we decided to offer help by starting a scholarship, gifting a few of our A to Z heat presses, and providing coaching to aspiring entrepreneurs. We were truly overwhelmed by the number of entries we received and the passion that they contained. So we made the decision to expand the program by creating the Stahls Family Small Business Fund to support aspiring entrepreneurs starting their own garment decorating businesses through our Pure Imagination scholarships. Every 4 months, we'll choose 5 winners with a bonus winner at the end of the year. So we will have 21 winners in 2021. Each winner will receive one of our high-quality, American-made A to Z heat presses, as well as startup materials to grow their apparel decorating business, along with personal coaching by members of our extremely experienced Stahls team. And we are so excited about helping dreams come true that we couldn't even wait for the first quarter of the year to end before selecting the first 5 Pure Imagination scholarship winners. Each one of these winners have a compelling and convincing story to tell. And trust me, when you see and hear their stories, you can feel their excitement, and here they are to tell it themselves.
Hi, it's Christina from Peekskill, New York, aka Peaky Wood. I'm so excited to be on this journey with Stahls. We're gonna learn from their experts how to build a business, learn new techniques, and how to use different type of materials. Whatever I learn, you're gonna learn alongside with me. Because without unity, there is no community. Also, we're gonna learn more about my lifestyle brand, Peaky Wood. My brand is about fun, energy, swag, a little bit of hustle. So I look forward to you joining me on my journey, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Hi, my name is Eddie Vargas. I'm with the Vargas family, and we would like to thank Josh from the Stahls Company for the recent win of the heat press, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you very much.
Now that we have this heat press, we'll be able to finally make clothes, and we'll be promoting it with skate videos.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm Jocelyn.
And I'm Joe.
We're 13 Flat, coming to you from the beautiful Pacific Northwest in Olympia, Washington.
I'm currently active duty Army in the midst of medically retiring right now.
And I'm an investigator for the State Department of Health. We couldn't be more excited to have been chosen by Stahls to work with them to build our business dreams.
At 13 Flat, we strive to convey authenticity through our stories and our values to reach and communicate with the rodeo community, the equestrian community, and all around rural people around our country.
We can't wait to invite you to join us on our journey. Make sure you make your next run 13 Flat.
Hey everybody, we're from The Collective.
Yes, here in Culver, Indiana. We are about an hour south of South Bend and about 2 hours north of Indianapolis.
And we are so excited that we won this heat press. We have some big plans for our little store. We got t-shirts in mind and tea towels and any other kind of cool individualized stuff that we can make.
We love a good t-shirt.
Yeah, love a good t-shirt.
But our store is different from others because we are all about the small man, the small females, to support the makers, the artists, the small shops, and the handmade dream chasers. Everyone that's looking to just fulfill that dream, we are all about getting their stuff in this space.
Yes, and thank you guys so much for allowing us to win this. We promise to do good things with it. Thank you to all of you.
We do. We're so grateful for the whole team of people. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Clara Edwards.
Hi, I'm Kinsley Wallace.
Hi, I'm Ty Langford.
Hi, I'm Tanner Fitzmeyer.
And I'm Rhonda Gearhand, and we are all part of the Roar store here at Clay Center Community High School. We are so excited to have won the scholarship for the Heat Press.
We would like to thank Stahls for giving us the opportunity to expand our business.
For more information about our business, we are based here in Clay Center, Kansas at CCCHS. As you can see, we're currently producing masks and working on t-shirts for our booster club and high school students.
Eventually, we want to expand our business into the community to help fulfill community needs.
Thank you, Stahls, for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
If you're inspired by these stories you just heard and have a business dream waiting to be fulfilled, I ask you to apply for the Pure Imagination Scholarship by visiting this link. And as the Stahls family has learned after almost a century in business, it is possible to turn a homegrown seed of an idea into a successful and rewarding business. With a Pure Imagination Scholarship, we'd love to help you take your dream or your business to the next level. So why not apply today?